All right, here we go. Let's go.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We are back on the water. Gonna do a little afternoon kayak fishing, and there are a ton of manatees to my left.
All right, it's first time with this 180 drive, guys, that I picked up. Didn't do anything to it. I just got it. Oh, okay, there you go. Hopefully, that was, oh my gosh. Well, at least we know it works. Oh crap, I got manatee in front of me. Let's back up. Yeah! Yo! Yo, dude, Chris!
Brother all of a sudden hooks up. Here, you want the net?
Yeah, I think so. Just, dang, I'm good though. Woo! There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh, yo, this is a good trout. I mean, he's no gator, but he's chunky. Yo, look at that. On that Z-Man. It was the Paddler Z. This guy's like I think he's like maybe a 20. I think he's a 20. I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, push me off a little bit. Oh, yo, Chris. Oh, what?
Guys, we just saw a flats whale. No, it was a huge red. The fin was like gigantic. It's like this big. Oh, I felt a tick, but I don't know if that was a hit.
I think it's the color.
Yeah.
There you go, Chris. There you go. Oh shoot. Hold on, I'm like,
Oh man, I think this is a ray.
you think so?
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know. Does it feel like? You think it's a ray?
Yeah. No, it's not. It's a red.
It's a red. Nice, Chris. Yo, Chris is on. Chris is on. He thought it was a ray, but it's a red. I think we got a good red. Yo, he's going for a ride. Yo, let's go. Oh shoot, he's coming towards me. I don't want to get wrapped up.
Oh man, he's not having it, guys.
Hold on.
Let me stand up for this.
Alright. Alright guys, hey,
Yo, I think this is a black drum. Yo, this is a black drum. I'm gonna scoop him over there since you have the net.
yeah.
Yeah, scoop him. Yes. I like how I didn't land him. I like how you landed him. Yo, that's teamwork right there, guys. That's teamwork right there.
Okay, here. Here's the. There we go.
Yo, he went for this right here, the marshmallow.
Yeah.
First time using that bait too.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Yo. Oh, you hear that drumming? So much bass.
He's gone. Nice.
Guys, that was so sick. That was a 24-inch black drum. I fought for what seemed like hours, but it was probably only like 2 minutes.
Dude, That was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome. Well, guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a nice day to be out on the water. I caught a black drum. My brother caught a nice trout. We kind of like double teamed and netted our each other's fish, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you like it, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later.